Before I introduce how to fill out irregular forms, I need to complete the following 3 steps in advance. Step 1. Take a photo of the paper. Step 2. Crop the paper part from the photo, then save the cropped photo to my computer. Step 3. Measure height and width of the paper with a ruler. Click File button in the software, then choose Open and click it. Open the file that we just saved the cropped photo. Then click Open button. Here is our cropped photo. Now we need to set the paper size. The unit of length is centimeters. Fill in the value that we have measured. After inputting the values, just click OK. Then we will fill content. Click Characters button. Click Add button. We use this function for the first time, so we need to choose a font and font size. After choosing font and size, drag the content to the corresponding filling area. And so forth, we will use the same steps to fill in the other areas that need to be filled in. As you can see, there are options for line space, word space, left gap, and right gap. We can fill in the values as the need. After setting line space, word space, and gaps, then we start to write. We use our hand to move the pen to the top left corner of the paper. Then fill x-axis and y-axis diagonal in the software. Select magnet and click OK button. The pen in the software will automatically move to the top left corner. And we can save this form as a template, such as we can save it as Plan 1. When we use it next time, it's very convenient. You don't need to take a photo, crop photo, choose font, and set values anymore. You just need to open the template we saved this time. If you want to change the content, click the left mouse button and input the new content. Finish changing content, you can click Write, then write the form.